Hi, I'm Jessica from Core Products, and I'm here to share a few tips and tricks you can use to get the most out of your TriCore and D-Core pillows. To maintain like-new support, our fiber pillows will need occasional fluffing to maintain optimum performance. Fluffing a supportive cervical pillow is easy, but a little different from other pillows you may have used. If the neck roll on your pillow is too firm, you can easily move fiber away from the neck roll to the sides of the pillow. This will make the neck roll softer and less supportive. If the neck roll on your pillow is too soft, you can move the fiber from the sides of the pillow into the neck roll. This will make the neck roll firmer and more supportive. To increase the firmness of the neck roll, start by holding the pillow upright using your legs to secure the pillow. Next, place your hands together on opposite sides of the neck roll near a corner. Start by pressing your palms together, creating a V shape with your hands. Slowly alternate your hands while applying pressure at the base of your palms and pushing toward the middle of the cervical roll. This will help move the fiber within the roll towards the middle of the neck roll. Repeat on the opposite end. To decrease the firmness of the neck roll, start by holding the pillow upright, using your legs to secure the pillow. Next, place your hands together on the center of the neck roll. Start by pressing your palms together, creating a V shape with your hands. Slowly alternate your hands while applying pressure at the base of your palms and pushing toward the corner of the pillow. This will help move the fiber within the pillow towards the edge of the neck roll. Repeat this process until you reach the firmness you desire. If you feel that you're not moving enough fiber with this technique, you can use your thumbs and gently push inward from the side of the pillow to add or remove support and volume. We recommend repeating this process every 1 to 2 weeks in order to maintain optimum performance. Thank you for taking the time to learn a little bit more about our TriCore and D-Core pillows. If you have further questions or concerns, please contact our customer service team and we'd be happy to help.